TikTok not working? Hi friends, here are effective solutions to fix the issue of TikTok not working. In today's video guys, we will learn various methods we can use to fix the problem of TikTok not loading or working. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the very end as all methods are effective. So if you go into TikTok app and nothing is working, you can't watch videos, you can't upload your posts, nothing just seems to work, the first thing you want to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, either the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. Ensure it is working and stable, as this might help fix the issue of TikTok not working or loading. Also guys, you can restart the TikTok app. You just close the TikTok app completely, close the app and try to open it again. This can also help resolve the issue. Now another thing you can do, which is very effective, it works for me countless times, it helps resolve issues in my TikTok, is to update the TikTok app. Make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed. So navigate to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on your device, to check if an update is available for your app. Alright, so if you type in TikTok and you are provided with the update option, it means you need to update your app. So you tap on the button to update your app. But if you see the open button like mine, it means your app is updated. You have the latest version of TikTok. Additionally guys, you can also try to clear cache on TikTok, either the Android or iOS. Just clear the cache through your setting. So on my Android device, this method I want to show you now works particularly for Android device. Just use the shortcut to clear the cache. Tap and hold TikTok to the menu appear. You can see mine clear cache, but if you're not ready with the clear cache option, you just tap on app info and this will take you to the TikTok setting on your device. Alright, now you can see the storage and clear cache. Tap on it. Below is the clear cache option with the trash icon. You can see my cache there, so you just tap on clear cache and as you can see my cache has been cleared. So clearing cache on TikTok or any app can help to fix glitches or fix issues like TikTok not working. So if you have tried all these steps and your TikTok issue hasn't been resolved, your TikTok is not still loading or working, here is what you can do. You want to check if TikTok have outages. Like sometimes the problem might be from TikTok end, it might be a general issue. So to check this, you can comment in this video below, go to the comment section below and comment asking if TikTok is down. Just comment, is TikTok down? You can also be specific and try to ask if TikTok is not working in your region. If you are getting likes and comments around your comments, it means TikTok might be down. You can also go to your browser, either the Google or Safari, and type in TikTok down to check if TikTok is down. You will see a chat there that explain if TikTok is down or not. So if you've tried all this and TikTok end is good and you've tried all the steps I've mentioned and your TikTok is not working, you just maybe wait for a while and your issue will be resolved. You can also go to the TikTok app and if you are allowed to log in, you can just type in and go to TikTok support, asking them to resolve the issue of TikTok not working. So guys, it's that easy. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please leave your experience in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys and see you in the next video.